This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Deborah Basden. Must-see treasure. Beautifully updated ranch in a quiet, friendly neighborhood convenient to grocery stores, town center, interstate, and so much more. Open floor plan offering a seamless flow throughout the home. Updated kitchen features granite countertops, tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. Enjoy casual meals in the breakfast area or entertain guests in the spacious dining area. The converted garage offers the option of a sunroom, office, or additional family room. The oversized backyard features a storage shed, is fully fenced, and provides a ton of private space for entertaining and relaxing. New roof in 2019. Don't miss the opportunity to make this delightful ranch your new home. For more information, review the details below.